Hi, this is Mary at Mini Album Scraps and Sugar Grove Crafts. And I have my cat's Meow from Kathy Kai Meg. And I just wanted to show you how pretty this box is. And what she said, she made some type of a binder. We'll see it in a minute. And that she couldn't fit all these pretty rosettes in it, so she just put them in the top of the box. Isn't that pretty? Very, very pretty. I'm very excited. And this was the card that she sent. Very cute. And I already read your note, Kathy. Thank you very much for that. And we'll never lose track of each other. So, besides that, you gotta come visit me. So this is my cat's Meow. And why I'm getting this out here, I'm going to talk for a minute. As those of you that are members of Mini Album Scraps know, we are going to be closing the site after the October swaps. And part of the reason is, well, you know that saying, all good things come to an end or whatever, but when I started this, I wasn't working full-time, and now I've been working full-time. Sometimes I work extra. And I've had 3 grandkids in the last couple of years, and it just seems like when it's time to video and all the swaps and everything, it's really time consuming. And everybody's very grateful and thankful for me doing that, but it is very time consuming, and it's just hard for me to continue to do. She told me. So this, I think, is what she put in the binder, because she told me she left me the goodies and all these beautiful flowers. I bet those were hard to, they're vellum. I bet those were hard to fold. So I think I'll save the binder for last. These pretty pink flowers. And I do believe you made these, didn't you, Kathy? I know you did. You just put them in a bag. Yeah. Very pretty. Thank you. My favorite color. Oh, awesome. Graphic 45 tags. Love these. Could use these in mini albums. You could make an album. You can use them in junk journals. All kinds of things. Thank you, Kathy. Oh, more. I love these. Look at these. And white ones. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's going to be fun. Thank you, Kathy. Aww. Crafting and Happy Mail stamps. So maybe you could see. They say, thanks for your friendship, handmade with love, handcrafted with love, and you on my mind, created with joy, send to you with love. The best friends are crafters like you. That's true. Thank you for your friendship. Keep crafting because you're amazing. This one says, goodies inside, happy mail to cheer you up because I care, because you're worth it, because you're loved, for you, my great friend, and handmade with love. And if anybody wants to know where she got these, I'm pretty sure they came from AliExpress. Awesome. Thank you, Kathy. I've eyed those before, so I knew. Oh, I love my Prima tags. Isn't that pretty? I love what she did with the sequins down the front. Thank you, Kathy. Thank you. I wanted these. You don't know it, but I did want them. These are nice. I used them in a class I took. So thank you. Distress crayons. You can put them on the corner or something and you rub and it just kind of melts in and spreads it like on wood, or I guess you can use them on paper or anything. They're really nice. And they're in 3 of the distress colors. Thank you, Kathy. Oh, thank you for these. I'm starting to make like snippets and stuff, and I know these look really cute with a couple beads or bead or two, and then you put them on the corner of your snippet. These are those bulb pins. They call them loop pins, but I've seen them like on AliExpress. It's called loop or bulb pins. Thank you. And I like this because it's a mixture of colors. Thank you. And I love these little frames. And there's 2 to a pack. These are going to be pretty. Thank you, Kathy. Oh my gosh, you got me so much nice stuff. This is such a fun swap. I just love the cat's meow. And I'm going to try to keep it going with a few people. The ones that are always wanting to do it. Oh, Mary, untie the bow. Can I get it open? Some green jute. 25 yards. It's a pretty color too. Pink in this color is some of my favorite colors. Thank you, Kathy. Now we got to see this binder. Look at it. Let me get all those little doodads off. Summer binder mail. This must be something that I just haven't seen. Wow. Look how pretty she made this. I'm just trying to get those off so you can see the cover. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen one of these, Kathy, so this is amazing. Oh, it's just full of all kinds of fun things. Wow. Okay, I want you to see everything, so we'll start like this. Oh, she made an awesome tag. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And look at these stickers. So fun. Look at this. So fun. It says fun. And then here's the first page. You're sweeter than cotton candy. Oh, got me the die that goes with this. Oh, it is so cool. I never in a million years would have got this, but seeing it on this, it is so cute. And I love how you did it in the gold so it looks like, you know, metal or... it's just, it's fun. Thank you, Kathy. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. All kinds of punch outs and tags. Oh. In the first pocket. Got some more fun stickers. More fun stickers. Oh my gosh, fun. Okay, let's see. So you got that page. Okay, let's see. Look at this one. Sun-Kissed. Oh, and she made little cards with envelopes. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, I love it. She got the banner theme still going on. This is awesome. Okay, so here's the next page. Oh, there's that cute die again. You spin me around. So these are things I can take off and use. Oh, and here for the ride. That is so cute. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. Let's make sure you guys can see it. Look at these. Oh, she's got to put down with washi tape. Pick them up. Look at those banners. So fun. You put a lot of work into this, making all these embellishments and tags and stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we got into this page. Oh, a pocket letter. Pretty sequins. And here's the back. Kinds of little goodies. Look at those cute little ice creams. And fish. Some washi over here. Oh, cute. Cotton candy. Ice cream. Oh, look at those cute bicycles. In summer. Okay, on to this one. A little topper for a bag. It's got it all ready to go. How awesome. You should slip the paper so you could just slide it in there. Another topper. These are all topper. Oh, look at this one. Little one. Cute. And then a big one. Amaryllis is next. She might get some of these on her packages. Maybe. Let's go fishing. Look at the pinwheels. Now, all these things I can take off and use. And look at this. Little shaker. Oh, it's too cute. Okay, so you saw that page with the toppers, and this page with the pinwheels. Oh, and this one's a pocket. Oh my gosh, Kathy, these are so pretty. I love the gold on it, on everything. Those are just too cute. Too cute. Look at the way she did that little pocket. So this is the next page. What is this? A little, oh, I bet this was in it. Oh, should be some more dies. Oh, I love them. Look at these. These are awesome. You can always use these. Always use these as flowers. Let's see. Is this a unicorn? I think it's a unicorn die. Maybe she used it somewhere here. Thank you, Kathy. Put it back in here. Oh, this is fun. All right, and then there's this one. Oh, wow. This is great. All kinds of words die cut. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome. And then some of her leftover paper. She said she left me to do what I wanted with. Very pretty. This is Photo Plays Summer Daydreams. I think this is just